उपजन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी उपजन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी उपजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी उपजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी उपजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी उपजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी उपजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद oh God श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Hare Nam Sankirtan Mosam ki Jai Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki Jai Nityaswar Premanande Hare Bol. I think today Narsimha Chaturdasi, so many people they have not sent a message, maybe they are not coming. Did you get any message that they are not coming today? आपको कोई मैसेज मिला कि वो लोग नहीं आ रहे हैं आज? Okay, no problem. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Naruttamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudire Nashpraeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhakti Bhavati Nashtuki. So Shloka 20. Etavatalam nanushuchitena gunairasabhya anatishayanasya hitvaetaran pardhayato vibhuti yashankrenu yusatena bhipsuhu etavatalam nanushuchitena गुणेशाभ्या अनतिसायनस्य हित्वेतरान् पार्थयतो विभूति यस्याङ्ग्रेणो जुषते अनभिप्सुः एतावतालां ननुशोचितेन गुणेशाभ्या अनतिसायनस्य हित्वेतरान् पार्थयतो विभूति Shangrenu Yusade Anabhipsuho. What meaning? Etavata itni dur tak alam anavashyak nanu यदि तनिक भी हो तो सूचितेना वर्णन से गुण से आसाभ्य आमाभ्य अनिता सायनस्य जिनकी बराबरी न हो सके उसका हेत्वा छोड़कर इतरान अन्य पार्थयत याचना करने वालों का विभूति लक्ष्मी की कृपा यश्य जिनके अंग्रिही पैर रेणु हो धूल जुषते सेवा करना है अनभिप्स हो अनिश्चित का ट्रांसलेट परपोर्ट। अब यह निश्चित हो गया है कि वे भगवान अनंत हैं और उनके तुल्य कोई भी नहीं है। फलस्वरूप उनके विषय में कोई भी पर्याप्त रूप से कह नहीं सकता। बड़े बड़े देवता भी स्थितियों के द्वारा जिस लक्ष्मी देवी को कृपा प्राप्त कर नहीं पाते हैं वही देवी भगवान की सेवा करती है। यद्यपि भगवान ऐसी सेवा के लिए अनुच्छुक रहते हैं। तात्पर्य है छोटा सा।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु।
या माता जी, we'll do it, then we'll finish that.
Prabhu, anybody not come today?
I don't know. Anyway, we are there. We'll finish fast.
Okay, Prabhu, you tell me which chapter and which.
Canto 1, chapter 18, text 20.
20.
1, 18, 20.
Good. Okay, thank you, Prabhu.
ओके। श्रुतियों के अनुसार भगवान का परमेश्वर परब्रह्म को कुछ भी नहीं करना होता है। उनको समता करने वाला कोई नहीं है, नहीं उनसे कोई बढ़कर है। उनको अनंत शक्तियां हैं और उनका हर कार्य अपने सहज तथा सम्यक रूप से नियमानुसार होता रहता है। इस प्रकार भगवान अपने आप में परिपूर्ण है और उन्हें अन्य किसी से कुछ भी लेना नहीं है। यहाँ तक कि ब्रह्मा जैसे महान देवताओं से भी नहीं। अन्य लोग जिन लक्ष्मी की कृपा दृष्टि के लिए लालायित रहते हैं और अनेक प्रार्थनाओं के बाद भी वे उन पर कृपा नहीं करती हैं, वे भी भगवान की सेवा करती हैं। यद्यपि उन्हें लक्ष्मी जी से कुछ भी लेना नहीं होता है। परमेश्वर अपने गर्भोदाक्षय विष्णु रूप में ब्रह्मा को अपनी नाभि से निकले कलम से भौतिक संसार के प्रथम जीव के रूप में जन्म देते हैं। लक्ष्मी देवी के गर्भ से नहीं, जो उनकी सेवा में निरंतर लगी रहती हैं। उनकी पूर्ण स्वतंत्रता तथा परिपूर्णता के ये कुछ उदाहरण हैं। उन्हें कुछ करना नहीं होता है। इसका अर्थ यह नहीं है कि परमात्मा वे निराकार हैं। वे दिव्य रूप में अचिंत्य शक्तियों से इतने परिपूर्ण हैं कि केवल उनकी इच्छा करने मात्र से सब कुछ हो जाता है। उन्हें कोई सांसारिक या निजी प्रयास नहीं करना होता है। इसलिए वे योगेश्वर अर्थात समस्त यौगिक शक्तियों के स्वामी कहलाते हैं। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकथा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदनिकं वन्दे अहं श्रीगुरुं शरावतिकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवां च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणा रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादां सहगणा ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितां च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपकांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते भक्त गजन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वांक्षा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने नमाचार्य पादाय नित्याय कृपाप्रदाने गौरगदादामदाय नगरग्रामतारिणे नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमद्भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पार्षादेशारिणे। हरे कृष्णा। तो माता जी हिंदी जोके और इंग्लिश जोके?
इंग्लिश बोलिए।
हाँ इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, बहुत बढ़िया। नाउ Suta Goswami is telling to the sages at Naimisharanya that, my dear sages, we have understood that Hari is Ananta, unlimited. You cannot find end to it. And if there is no end, there is no start. And therefore, any person who has no end, who has no start, is called Achitya, everlasting, eternal, cognizant. Everything that is required, that is in him. For Krishna, no one is equal to him. Then what to talk of greater than him? He is the best. He is all. When he says, Pitahamase Jagatha, Mata Dhata Pitamaha, Vedam Pavitronkara Rekshami Jurevicha. In Bhagavad Gita, he is declaring, I am a father, I am a mother. Now, these are not only words. When Brahma was to be produced, he did not take the help of Lakshmi. Lakshmi is sitting at his feet, massaging him, giving the service. He did not require, because he is Atma Rama, Swayam Bhu. He can do what he wants. So when he said, Pita Hamase Jagata Mata Dhata, I am the father and I am the mother. So he proved it. It was not whimsically he is saying. So he produced Brahmaji. And Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kaviya. And he installed the first, the jnana of the bhakti in the heart of Brahmaji. And he told him, okay, go ahead. Vipuli Kuru, expand it. And by my grace, you will be able to do what was destroyed and which was earlier there. Today he is saying, now we have concluded. They say, Arudhya Sarvasastrani Vicharya cha punah punah Idam ekam suni sampannam Dhyayayo narayana sada. Alodhya, reading all the scriptures, Vicharya cha punah punah, and then we contemplated. We have done the Chintan Manana, and then we all have come to one conclusion. Idam ekam suni sampannam, and we all have to come one conclusion. And the conclusion is Dhyayato Narayana sada. Always worship the Narayana. Narayana is the official form of Krishna. Krishna is the home form. And when he becomes an opulent, when he shows his power of an opulence, then he becomes Narayana. So, Dhyayato Narayana Sada. So, here also, the Sutta Goswami informing to the sage Naimisharanya that it has been now concluded that he is Ananta, unlimited. Or nobody can tell completely anything about him. No one. No Shiva, no Brahma, not even Sukadeva Goswami, not even Narada. Because as soon as they come to know that these are the Gurus of Krishna, they multiply in 2s and 4s and 6 and 8 and 10 and, just multiplies. And again, these people have to sit together and let us say, okay, let us find what are the attributes of the Krishna. And again, it multiplies. And it multiplies. So there is a joke in Srimad Bhagavatam. They are telling Krishna, what do you think of yourself? My dear Krishna, even you do not know yourself. Even you do not know yourself. Your attributes are so vast, you can't compare. They say it is possible to count the grains of the sand. It is possible to count the star in the sky. It is possible to count the waves of the sea. But it is not possible to count the attributes and glories of Krishna. So vast. So vast. Now, there is a very nice sloka that Ses Mahesh Ganesh Punipave Tahi Air Ki Chukriya Chachiya Bar Chach Pe Nach Nacham. To Krishna, who are very, very difficult for the Mahesha, Brahma, Ganesha, Varuna, Chandra, Surya, and all these rishis, great rishis, and santas and sadhus. And to that Krishna, the gopis of Vrindavan, they are saying, okay, we can give you buttermilk if you dance in front of us and dance properly. They are taking the service from him, and Krishna doing it. He who is Parameshwara, he says, Brahmayan Sarva Bhutani. Oh my dear Arjuna, because of my energy, I have put everybody in the Dharma. Sarva Bhutani, everyone. And he himself become captivated to the devotees of his own devotees. They are asking him to dance, and he has to do that. So Ananta and very inconceivable. You cannot really understand why and how. There are hundreds of question marks on the character of Krishna. Hundreds of question marks. He ran away from the battlefield due to the fear of Jarasandha, and he's been worshipped as Ranachora in Rajasthan and Dwarka. He is very celebrated as Ranachora. And in northern India, Makhan Chor. Do you think Chor can ever be worshipped? A thief? A butter thief can be worshipped? No, he is being worshipped. He has stolen the garments of the gopis. And still, the Shastra says he is a Naistiki Brahmachari. If there's anyone Brahmachari in the surface of the Kayanat world, is Krishna. So many problems. He promised so many things, he broke his own promise for keeping the promise of other fellow. So very, very difficult to understand his characteristic. So this is a question mark. Why and how? You see? He has killed his own, the cousin, Sisupal. And people are overwhelmed. And he still is worshipped. In Kurukshetra, 1,660,020,000 people were killed because he is so wanted and he is celebrated as God. He did the right thing. So that Krishna is Ananta. Nobody can understand him, not even we. Then how much you can understand? Krishna says, Tesam eva anukampartham aham agnanajam tamaha Nasiyami Atmabhavastu Jnanadeepena Bhashata. In accordance with the devotional service rendered to me by my devotees, I reveal myself by lighting the lamp of the knowledge within his heart. We can only know this much, and only that much, nothing more than that. And he is revealing himself so that we can understand him. Think for a situation. If all of a sudden Krishna comes in his gigantic form in front of us, we'll definitely die of heart attack. So he's not going to come. He's coming in Archavigraha. So that we can communicate with him. We can talk to him. We can reciprocate with him. We can give him service. He accepts our services. Otherwise, the Krishna as he is, who will know? So here is confirming that even the Lakshmi is busy in the serving the Lord. Whereas after Lakshmi there are many santas and sadhus. They want to take her favor, her kripadrishti, so that they become a rich and opulent and worthy. And people are after her. But Narayan or Krishna is not even looking at her. Because she is doing her job. She is that good at it, and the service is given to her. So he's such a great renunciate. What a renunciation! He had 21 billion gopis as his girlfriend. 21 billion gopis as girlfriend. And simply at the age of 10, he left them. Finished. Just left them. What a renunciation. And if you say Mathura and Vrindavan, hardly maybe 10 or 15 kilometers. Anybody could have walked, but he didn't. Renunciation. Perfect renunciation. He left Mathura and established Dwarika. They say out of the fear of Jarasandha. And people celebrate him. So all his character are all those who are not the devotees, they always put a question mark. He cannot be a god. He cannot be this. A boy tendering the cows. How he can be the supreme person of Godhead? And he is not only tending the cows, he is tendering everybody. He is helping everybody. He is maintaining everybody. He is fulfilling their desire every now and then. That's what he is. That's what the Krishna is. So even Saunaka Adi Rishi, they are also baffled, perturbed, disturbed, that how to achieve Krishna. And they say simply by rendering the service unto the devotees of Krishna, you can reach Krishna. He's always there. He's within our heart. And outside as a ear, He's present there. It's not that we have not seen that He is not there. He's everywhere. And all the time. Even when we are sleeping, He's side by us. So that Krishna, Achintya, Ananta, very, very difficult. So how much we know? There are 763 the stories in Srimad Bhagavatam. If you can know that much, it's more than enough. We don't know millions. Even Srimad Bhagavatam had 60 lakhs sloka. 60 lakhs sloka. Do you think we'll be able to ever read it? So why His mercy? We have left only 100,000 Mahabharata sloka. Only 100,000. Easy for us to comprehend and understand. Otherwise it would have become very, very difficult. So, we know Krishna is difficult to find, to understand. Then what do? Simply render the service through His devotees. Render the service to His authorized representative. And then we can see Krishna. How we can see Krishna? Yatma suprasidati. When you are completely satisfied, when you need nothing, you lament for nothing. Brahmabhuta prasanatma. Na shochati na kankchati. Sama sarveshu bhuteshu mad bhaktim lavate param. Somehow, when we become equal to the foe and enemy, when we become the equal to nearest and dearest one, then we can understand, yes, we have achieved the love of Krishna. Or Advaishta Sarva Bhutanam. When we have no enmity with any beings, be it a cockroach and an ant, or the snake and reptile, or the birds, or the rats, something like that. Advaishta Sarva Bhutanam. We know they have been produced for a purpose, and that is by Krishna. So they have every right. Once Guru Nanak Dev was given a charge of a field where he had to drive away the birds, they were taking the corn. So he went there, he said, I got the job. And the birds will come, and he started driving them away. Then he got a realization. I'll tell you in Hindi. Ram ki chidiya, Ram ka khet. राम की चिड़िया राम का खेत, खाले चिड़िया भर भर पेट. This produce that we have got is produced by Lord Rama. The birds that are coming, they are produced by Lord Rama. So why should I be in between them an obstacle? Take as much as you want, and how much you can take. Whatever comes in your beak, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 grains, nothing more than that. So this word is very, very difficult. Krishna is always independent. He had always been independent. Because he is the source of everything. And for him there is no source. Ishvaraha Paramaha Krishna. Paramaha means beyond our thoughts and imagination and this material universe. Ishvara Paramaha Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. And his Vigraha, his body is made of Satchitananda, of eternal knowledge and blissful. Anadir Adir Govinda. And he is Anadi and he is Anand, he is Anta. He is everything. To that Krishna, I bow my head. Sarva Karana Karana. He is the cause and effect of everything. And everything happens by his will. What kind of will? That he has also given us a free will. So he has given us a minute independence. And therefore, what do? We exercise our will to do what we think is right. And we cannot be right all the time. So we have to be guided. We have to be protected. We have to be taught. And that's why it comes Bhakti Yoga, rendering devotional service to this for the satisfaction of Guru and Gauranga. And then only this is perfection of this life. So anyway, today nobody is there. So I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. They have not sent us the message that there won't be class today. But anyway, we have done our job. We have taken our time. And we have rendered our services unto Srila Prabhupada and disciplic succession. Hare Krishna.